Hi there, welcome back to the Canvas training videos. This video is to show you how to copy the Rigetti homepage template to one of your courses. So we do have two templates available for you that are almost exactly identical. The only difference is if the buttons run across the page horizontally or if buttons run across the page vertically. I'm going to show you those in just a second. When you are ready to copy, you go into the course that you want to make the changes into. So I'm going to use this one here as my example. And we think it's going to open. There it goes. So once it's open, the templates are hiding in the Commons. So we're in here. I'm going to go into the Commons right now. And when it opens up, there's so much stuff in here. Really recommend you look around in here. But what we want to do is we want to look for something that was created by me. So I'm going to turn off the public resources, and that makes the options much smaller. And then we have two in here. I'll show you, make this a little bit smaller. We have these two. So one has buttons that go horizontally, and this one here has buttons that go vertically. It's all a matter of preference. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to take this one. I personally like it a little bit better, and so I'm going to drop it into this course. So if you want to do more than one at a time, you can. What I would really recommend is that you copy it into one course, make some changes that I'm going to show you in the next few steps, and then you can copy it from there into other courses rather than having the raw template for each one. So I'm going to go ahead and click Import into Course. This is going to import really quickly because it is a single page. So I'm going to go back to that dashboard and enter the course that we were looking at. So again, that's this one. So it matters what type of thing it is that you take from the Commons, and this one was a page. So I'm going to go to the pages, and there it is, the RHS homepage template. I'm going to open that up, and from here it is ready to edit. So you can see it's ready for you to change the course title, all of that. So we do that by going into the Edit button. Okay, I'm going to change the title here. So whatever the name of the course is. So this was this. It was a demonstration course. As an example, just highlight and replace. Spell your name correctly, always recommended. I mess that up on a regular basis. Put in your email address or your phone number so you can do all of these things. I'm going to skip that while I've got you here. Each of these buttons is currently linked to these pieces of the course. So the announcement will go to the announcements for the course that it's in. Modules the same, syllabus the same. Aries will link to the student sign-in page for Aries. This button here that says materials is the only one that is not currently linked to anything. You can link it to your textbook. You can link it to another web page where students have to go. I know some people are using ConnectEd, some people are using HMH, but this is not linked. You can also delete it if you want. In order to change this, I can even get rid of that box. I'm going to delete that cell. That's easier to do here. Just want to delete the single cell. Tables are a little bit funny in Canvas. I'm not going to fight with this while I've got you listening. And just delete the row. Boom. So now it's just automatically gone. Okay, take this and I would replace this with a course description for your class. Okay, and you'll see it has the Rigetti logo down here. This also links to the Rigetti High School webpage. And then this has a disclaimer here that parents and students should always refer to Aries for official grades. Okay. The recommendation that I made that you do this once for yourself, come in here and put in your name. Put in your contact information if you want to have an image here of yourself or something for your course. then from here you can always make a copy out of your own course instead of going to the Commons once you have this exactly the way you want it. Okay, so let me come down. I've got to hit save. Actually, I got to hit save and publish. So there is one more piece to making it your home page. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to the three dots and we're going to click Use as Front Page. Okay, that's step one. And then the final piece is to click on Home. And on the Home, am I in the wrong place? And it was in the right place. It finally showed up and it moved. Go to the Home and you want to select Choose Home Page. See, it's still loading. It's going to come in right here. There it is. Choose Home Page. And then when it does respond to all my clicking, we will choose the front page and we will hit save, and now that will be the home page. Okay, this is cut off here because my window is small. So there we go. If you have any questions or you want me to walk you through this step by step, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My extension is 2827 or email me. Thank you.